Hi, in this video I cover the previous year's question paper solution for MCA first semester subject MCS201, Programming in C and Python. The first question is differentiate between recursion and iteration. Give suitable code in C for each. Recursion and iteration are two fundamental techniques in programming for solving problems that involve repetitive tasks. Recursion is a programming technique where a function calls itself to solve a problem. It involves breaking down a problem into smaller subproblems and solving them until a base case is reached. Recursion is often used when the problem can be divided into similar subproblems, and it's particularly useful for tasks like traversing trees and graphs. Iteration is a programming technique where a loop is used to repeatedly execute a block of code until a certain condition is met. It's often used when you can express the problem as a sequence of steps that need to be repeated. Recursion involves a function calling itself, while iteration uses loops. Recursion can be more intuitive for certain problems with a recursive structure, like traversing a tree, while iteration is more suitable for tasks with a straightforward sequence of steps. Recursion can lead to Stack Overflow errors if not properly managed, as each function call adds a new frame to the call stack. Iteration uses a fixed amount of memory for loop control variables. Here's an example of recursion in C to calculate the factorial of a number. Here's an example of iteration in C to calculate the factorial of a number. The choice between recursion and iteration depends on the nature of the problem and the algorithm's design. Some problems are more naturally solved with recursion, while others are better suited for iteration.
Thank you.